Hi everyone! Today's video is on the topic of Amine blushing and is part of my new series about troubleshooting resin problems. So I was having issues with my resin top coats curing with a weird texture. It only seemed to happen when I did the doming part of the pour, and I'd been using the same resin brand for a few years and never had the problem, so I emailed the manufacturer back and forth and had no real resolution. I did some more research online and on some resin Facebook groups. That's where I found out my issue was called Amine blushing or Amine blooming. What is Amine blushing? It appears as an uneven coating on the resin surface and it looks like watermarks or crackling. It can be quite hard to get a good photo of it, but I've tried to include a few photos of my own as well as some from my friends on Instagram just so you can get a better idea of what it looks like. What causes it? Moisture in the air, humidity, a drop in room temperature, so for example if you leave your resin to cure overnight, or the room being too cold in general, will cause the water-soluble components of the resin to migrate to the surface, leaving the marks behind. Resin used for the wrong applications can also cure incorrectly and be mistaken for Amine blushing. Some resins are designed for deep casts and not as a top coat. A good way to prevent this from happening is keeping the room at a warm temperature of 21 degrees Celsius or 70 degrees Fahrenheit with a maximum humidity of 85%. A humidity gauge will help you work out if your workspace is too damp, and if that's the case you can use a dehumidifier or wait for the humidity levels to drop naturally with the weather. If your room is too cold, you can use a small fan heater to warm up the space or wait until the weather is warmer, such as during the day or in summer. So you've had Amine blushing come up on your piece, how can you fix it? Sometimes all it takes is a gentle buff and polish with some car wax, but if that doesn't work, you'll need to gently sand down the affected layer and just pour a new clear top coat. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you have any other questions, just let me know down below. And I have also provided some references down in the description as well if you'd like to follow up and read a little bit more about Amine blushing, but I did try to provide as much information as I could in just a short quick video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!